Hello guys, I have made a video on pilot aptitude battery test, that is PABT, for those people who wanted to go for a pilot stream in the defense forces, whether it is a Navy, Army, Air Force, Coast Guard and even the paramilitary force like BSF also have the air wing. In this video I am going to cover the important topics that is required to clear the PABT, and also I am going to provide you the sample practice sets for the PABT. And believe me, at the end of the video, you would be able to solve those questions. So let's start. PABT has been divided into three parts: instrumental battery test, or you can say it as a meter reading test or apparatus reading test. The second one is light control test, and the third one is control velocity test. So let's start with instrumental battery test. Test consists of 15 questions. You have to attempt those questions in 12 minutes. And this test is based on the reading of the following 5 instruments. The first one is air speed indicator. The second one is artificial horizon. The third one is altimeter. Fourth one is compass. Fifth one is climb and descent indicator. So let's start with air speed indicator. This indicator is as similar as the speedometer in your car or the bike. This instrument is used to indicate the speed of the aircraft. Generally, the speed of aircraft is measured in knots. So let's see how it's look like. The next one is artificial horizon, or you can say it as altitude indicator. This indicators display the airplane pitch and airplane's blank. Pitch means when the nose of the airplane goes up and down. When the wings of the aircraft tilt towards right or left, that position is called blanking. Altitude indicators, as its name suggests, indicates the altitude of the airplane relative to the horizons. So let's see how it's look like. In this picture you have seen that the aircraft is leveled to the ground. Let's see the second picture of altitude indicator. In this particular picture you can see that the aircraft is blanking 30 degree towards left. Altimeter. Altimeter is an instrument that indicate the height of an aircraft from the sea level. Its reading is as similar as the reading of the wall clock. It also has the two hands, one the small hand which gives the reading in thousands of the feet, and the other one is the big hand that gives reading in the hundreds of the feet. The reading of both the hands combinedly give the altitude. So let's see how it's look like. First step. As you can see that the small hand is in between 3 and 4. The small hand indicates that it is between 3000 to 4000 altitude. Step 2. See the bigger hand. So if we combine both the hand reading, it indicates that the aircraft is in 3160 feet above the sea level. Fourth one is compass. Everyone is familiar with the working of compass. So let's see how it's look like. Fifth one is climb and descent indicator. So let's see how it's look like. So in the figure you can see that the region where the arrow is shown is normal rate of climb and descent, and the ranges above and below it is the rate of climb and descent. Let's combine all the meter and I will show you how to solve step by step. Picture 1. In this particular picture, the first meter which is been shown is the airspeed indicator, and the speed marked is in between 150 and 160, particularly 155 knots. The second one is artificial horizon. It shows 0, that is not blanking, as its arrow coincides on marking shown degree of blanking in 10, 20 and 30 degrees. Third instrument is altimeter. As you can see that the small hand is in between 2000 to 3000 feet and the bigger hand is in between 600 to 700. So if you mark it, particularly the result will be 2680 feet above the sea level. The next one is the compass. Compass shows that it is heading towards 180 degree south. The next one is climb and descent indicator. The arrow shows 0, which means it is not been climbing or descending. So now I am going to give you some sample questions, and do comment below after solving this. And the next part, that is PABT part 2, will be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel.